Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Just Leet. So today I'll be making some wall sconces. So what I'm going to use is this picture frame, this napkin holder, and these lights, these fairy lights. I use some E6000 and some hot glue. Also gonna need scissors. I have these wraps, sorry about that. I'm gonna use this wrap also. This came from Amazon. This came from Dollar Tree. As you see, it's broken. I don't know why I say mirror. The glass is broken out of here, but no worries because I have plenty of extra glass laying around from previous projects I have made. And I'm just going to clean this off, empty this out, and get started. So one moment. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I'm putting the stones on. I put a little silicone on here, like silicone adhesive, just to try to hold them a little extra. You could add the stones however way you want. This is just the way I did it. So, yeah. So you do have to wash it till completely dry. Make sure these stones is adhering to here because of this plastic thing I put on here. I imagine you could add them whichever way you like without the plastic. Just stick them together and put them on there. But this is just the way I did it. So I'm going to do this row and maybe one more row, and then once I finish, I'm going to come back and show you how I fix it to the glass on the frame. I left this spot down here, if you can see it, empty, because that I had to put the frame with this thing right here, the napkin holder, on the glass, and it got some little rails at the bottom, so I want to make sure those is right on the glass, and then I add the remaining other stones. So this how it look. I'm just gonna go all the way around and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the end of my video. Hopefully if you got this far, you seen something you like, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification bells for more videos to come. This is how it turned out. And once you cut on the light, I have two different lights. You can see it through. Okay, so that's that one. And I already pre-made this one. I'm just trying to cut on the lights. So I'm gonna get these hung up. If my husband hang them up, he's a procrastinator. We ain't gonna talk about that. But anyway, if I could get these hung up, I would definitely show y'all how it looked. But this is how they both turned out. You could add like something at the top, mirror or anything like to put the candle. If you want to put candles, I don't do candles, but yeah. Or you could put even a push light to make it brighter. But this is just enough for what we need. But I want to thank you for your time and you viewing my channel. And y'all have a blessed day. And remember, there's always a tomorrow. Bye.